So on the education course, we get a variety of placements every year. First year we went to primary schools. This year I'm on an alternative placement, which is at Meadow farm. And next year we get the opportunity to choose where we want to go.
We offer students the opportunity to experience experiential learning outside of the classroom environment, outdoor learning and varied activities that is different from a school-based setting.
I'm on placement here at Meadow Community Farm as an educator assistant, where we set up activities for visiting schools.
From my experience working on a farm with the animals has been amazing. When the children do come in, they are allowed to obviously be with the animals, pet the animals. Some of my experiences on this farm have been little tours that we do with the children, where they learn about the importance of animals, where our food comes from and what they do for the environment.
We go from placements to primary schools and to alternative settings such as the farm. It's just given me more of a variety and more of an option for when I graduate.
The university students are brilliant, they're very professional and they've brought lots of the information that they've learned at university to the farm, which has helped them run the activities for the school children. So it helps the children bring learning to life while they're here at the farm.
I like the idea of becoming an educator in an alternative setting compared to a teacher, because it gives you more opportunity to be creative and express learning in a different way.
You can't teach experience. Being hands-on will be very valuable for my future.
I would say to anyone taking a university degree to get out there and do lots of experience in different areas, because it gives you the experience then when you're looking for a job that employers are looking for.